Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, about a question that you have left me, about a problem with a Volkswagen. But you can find this problem in any engine combustion. Let's see. The problem you have, is that you have noticed that lately, the smell of exhaust gases is a very strong and unpleasant smell, more than usual, and also sometimes the fault of the fault lights up on the control panel, and it stays on for a while, and while it's on the engine loses power. Okay, the problem here is that the anti-particle filter is clogging. The good thing is that this only lasts for a while. The loss of power is because the ECU detects that obstruction, and what it does is disconnect the turbo, to avoid damaging the engine. But since this is something sporadic, as soon as the light goes out again and it recovers its usual power, the car engine, what you should do is, for 30 minutes, to circulate with the vehicle revved up, between 3,000 and 4,000 revolutions per minute, to try to burn as much soot as possible, which is accumulating in the anti-particle filter. Because if you don't do this, there will come a time, in that light is going to stay on. The engine fault light, okay? The turbo disconnects you lose power in the engine, and sometimes we try in the workshop to do a forced regeneration, and sometimes it won't let us do it, and we have that, as in this case, what you see there. Later we have to take them to clean both, in this case, the anti-particle filter and the catalytic converter, which is taken separately in this car. In this case, the obstruction was such that they told us that they couldn't clean it, and they put new filter cartridges on it, but this is money that can be saved if you do what I tell you from time to time, even if the warning light still doesn't come on. Okay? From time to time you have to take the car revolutionized, as I say, approximately 30 minutes, so that it burns a sufficient amount of internal soot to avoid having these problems. In this way, in the short or medium term, you are going to save a lot of money, okay? Well, here you have this video short. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.